click on the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get my future updates in your notifications. Hello and welcome to my channel Irzum Tech. Today we are gonna talk about that how you can convert your smartphone into a CCTV camera. So first of all you need to do is to go to your Play Store, and after that search for IP webcam, and you can see this software out here. It has 10 million downloads and 15 MB of this software. You need to install it. After when you install it, just open it. Here in the end of this you will see start server. Go in here. You will see this IP address. I hope you can see it right here in the there, this IP address, and you need to write this in your computer in the browser. Let me do this for you. 192.168.43.1 and 8080. Okay, one thing you should know is that your both connection are on the same network. Should be connected on the same network, else it will not work. Okay, now here you will see that option video render. Turn it into Flash, browser or Java, whatever will work for you. Okay, you can see that I can see my computer now. Okay, so that's all. And another thing, let me show you. You can record this video to watch it later, or you can see this option here, LED focus. I hope you can see it. This one, with the help of this button you can record it, like turn your phone's flash on and off, like this one. Look, it's very easy. So it doesn't matter where your phone is, you can just switch the LED on and off. After that you can see the switch camera here. So if you are using your rear camera, you can change it. Hello. So it's very easy. You can see both here. The camera quality is quite good. Okay, just change your camera back again. Let me show you how you can do it. Okay, it turns back. So very easy. You can use any mobile phone. It doesn't matter which phone you are using. I'm using Huawei Honor 9 Lite this time. And that's all. I hope you like my video. Please like, comment and share. And one more thing, let me show you. Take photo option. You can take a picture of anything else like this and then click on take photo, and look, there you go. You can save it and watch it. It doesn't matter. Okay, so I hope you liked today's video. If you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.